time is now 3:33 AM on the 8th of July 2025, and there's supernatural noises out here. Oh my God, what's that in the north? Like a rushing wind. Look how light it is. I've just checked sunset at sunrise. What the hell is that noise? Oh my God. Look how light it is over there. And there's some weird clouds up there. Look, what's this noise? God. Supernatural light. I'm just about to, I'm just saving my video of the supernatural light. Last night. 11 o'clock. It's just on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus tablet now. S7 Plus tablet. I just got up to look outside and I thought, oh, that's a bit light. And then through the window I could hear this noise. I don't want to drop my phone. Oh, that's definitely supernatural. I'm just going to come inside now. There's some strange clouds up there, formations. But should it be that light? I don't think so. It's all over the place. Oh my God. That's in the direction of the Jerusalem. It's a hamlet without a church. It's the only place called Jerusalem in the UK. And the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses is Jehovah's Temple in Jerusalem. This confirmation. That noise is coming from Jerusalem. Flipping heck. Have you ever heard anything like that? I mean, look how light it is. That's ridiculous. Can hear a blackbird or something. Harbinger of death for Watchtower. I've heard some supernatural noises around here before, but not like this. Never like this. And I've just loaded my Shroud of Turin document up, my final copy. I'm telling you, this is proof that my son Joshua is Jesus Christ in the flesh. Absolutely unbelievable. Just as the news media start to get they're being delivered today to the newspapers, all in the UK. I've had loads being delivered, 17 of them. My ex-girlfriend Carrie Smith, Carrie Urbanati, and Ken Bowen. My ex-wife Samantha Pam Bowen, there was a best friend, Ken Bowen. He was a friend of mine, but when you get disfellowship, they don't want to know, do they? How long the hell is that noise going on for? I'm going to check the azimuth in it in a minute, see if it is coming from Jerusalem. It's in that direction anyway. Probably do a separate video on the screen later on. What the hell is that? Spooky. That's spooky supernatural, that. Yeah, this is a sign from Jehovah. He's really pulling it out of the stops now. And Watchtower go down on the 3rd of August 2025. And the governing body of Jehovah's Witnesses, and it'll probably be supernatural like this. I don't want to stop recording. Can't quite see those clouds, but they are a bit strange up there. Look how light it is. Can hear a blackbird singing. I might have stopped recording soon because my arm's aching. I don't want to drop my camera and I feel like I'm going to drop it. I mean, I literally came to the window to take a photograph because I thought it was a bit light, and I could hear, I had the double glazing, this is the double glazing window, and I could hear the noise through that. It was that loud. And when I opened the window, God, it hit you. That isn't traffic noise. And that isn't RAF Skellingthorpe Royal Air Force, because the Red Arrows used to be there. It's shut down now. So that isn't an air base around here at all. There's no air base here. And anyway, that's about 10 or 11 miles away, 8 or 9 miles. This is really close, this noise. I reckon that's in the direction of the Jerusalem. The hamlet called Jerusalem. The only place in the UK called Jerusalem. Been recording for 9 minutes 26 seconds. Oh my god, you know what that is, don't you? 926th chapter of the Bible. I think it's Malachi chapter 4 about the coming of Elijah. Malachi chapter 4 says, 5 verse 4 says, I will send my prophet Elijah before the great and fear-inspiring day of Jehovah, which is me. I'm Elijah the prophet. I just looked at the time then. Sure, it's 9:26. Or is it 9:29? No, I can't remember now. I might have got that wrong. Can't quite remember now what it was. I just don't want to stop recording. So good, this supernatural. This is going to give some weight to my claim who I am. It's definitely coming from Jerusalem, I'm sure. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day now. I'll go and check the azimuth, angle, degree. Bye for now.